In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Facebook Ads Manager 5 minutes. First, open your browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. On the results page, choose the official Ads Manager link and then select Go to Ads Manager. If you're not already signed in, log into your account securely and continue to Ads Manager. You should land on the campaign's dashboard. If you manage multiple ad accounts, confirm you're viewing the correct one using the account picker in the top bar. Next, open the left navigation menu and head to Billing and Payments. This takes you to the Billing Hub where you can review invoices, charges, and your current balance. From here, choose Payment Settings. Double check the ad account identifier shown at the top so the method you add is attached to the right account. Select Add Payment Method. You'll see the payment options available in your country and currency, typically a credit or debit card, sometimes PayPal, direct debit, or other local methods. Pick the option you plan to use for ads. Click Next, then carefully enter the required billing details. Make sure the name, address, and postal code match what your bank has on file to avoid verification failures. When everything looks good, click Save. Facebook may run a small temporary authorization to confirm the card. After it succeeds, set this method as your primary if prompted so future charges use it automatically. You can revisit payment settings anytime to add backups or change the primary method. If you prefer to fund a prepaid balance instead of automatic billing, choose Add Funds on the same page. Enter the amount you want to load to the account, select your preferred payment option, and click Next. Provide the necessary payer details exactly as they appear on your statement, then click Save to complete the top-up. The funds should appear in your balance shortly and will be used until they run out, at which point you can add more. To wrap up, return to payment settings and verify that your new method or balance is visible and active. If a method fails to add, check your permissions for the ad account, confirm the currency and country are correct, and ensure your bank allows online and international transactions. That's it. Your ads manager is now ready to run campaigns with a valid payment setup.